We all want to live long, healthy lives. Feeling good and staying active is important. What's the secret? It starts with a strong core. Your core is more than just your abs. Think of it as your body's powerhouse. It's the foundation for everything you do. A strong core means better posture, less pain, and more energy. It helps you move with ease and confidence. Whether you're playing sports, chasing after your grandkids, or simply getting out of bed in the morning, a strong core makes it all possible. This is about building strength that lasts a lifetime. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's embark on this journey to a stronger, healthier you, together. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine. Every part has a role to play. Your core? That's the engine room. It's the central support system that connects your upper and lower body. These muscles work together to stabilize your spine, control your movements, and transfer power throughout your body. Think of a baseball pitcher throwing a fastball. The power doesn't just come from their arm, it originates from their core, generating force that travels through their body and out to their hand. A strong core means better balance, coordination, and control. It makes everyday movements feel effortless. Bending down to tie your shoes, lifting heavy grocery bags, even just standing for long periods, it all becomes easier with a strong core. Your core is the unsung hero of your everyday life. It's time to give it the attention it deserves. Have you ever noticed how good it feels to stand up straight, shoulders back, with your head held high? That's the power of good posture, and it all starts with a strong core. Weak core muscles can lead to slouching, rounded shoulders, and an aching back. This not only affects how you look, but also how you feel. Good posture, on the other hand, helps you breathe better, improve circulation, and boosts your confidence. Strong core muscles act like an internal corset, supporting your spine and keeping you upright. They help to counteract the effects of gravity and poor posture habits like sitting for long periods. Remember, good posture isn't just about appearances. It's about feeling your best and moving through life with ease and confidence. So stand tall and embrace the power of a strong core. Injury prevention. Your core is your armor. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and often we find ourselves in situations where our physical resilience is put to the test. One minute you're walking down the street enjoying the day, and the next you injure yourself by making a surprise sudden movement. Having a strong core is like wearing protective armor, shielding your body from those unexpected jolts and strains. It acts as a central support system, ensuring that your movements are controlled and balanced. When your core is weak, your body is more vulnerable to injury. Everyday tasks can become challenging and even dangerous. Think about lifting a heavy box with a weak back. The strain on your muscles and spine can lead to serious injuries. You're putting yourself at risk for strains and sprains, which can take a long time to heal and may limit your mobility. But a strong core helps stabilize your spine, distribute weight evenly, and protect your body from those sudden movements. It enhances your overall posture and reduces the likelihood of injuries. This is especially important as we age. Our bodies naturally become less resilient, and maintaining a strong core can help counteract this decline. Strong core muscles reduce the risk of falls and help us maintain our independence. They provide the stability needed to perform daily activities with confidence. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits or just want to stay active in your golden years, core strength is your secret weapon. It supports your athletic performance and enhances your quality of life. So invest in your health and well-being. Make core strengthening exercises a regular part of your fitness routine. Strengthen your core and protect yourself from the unexpected. Your core is your armor, and it will serve you well in all aspects of life. Unleash your inner athlete core power for peak performance. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or a weekend warrior, a strong core is your secret weapon for unlocking peak athletic performance. It's not just about having visible abs, it's about building a powerhouse that supports every movement you make. It's the foundation for explosive power, lightning-fast reflexes, and unwavering endurance. Imagine the sprinter at the starting blocks, ready to explode forward with every ounce of energy. Think of a golfer executing the perfect swing. The precision and power in that swing are not just from the arms or shoulders. The power doesn't just come from their arms, it's a symphony of muscles working together, starting from the core. It originates from their core, generating a wave of force that travels through their body and out to the club. This seamless transfer of energy is what makes the swing so effective. The same principle applies to runners, swimmers, basketball players, you name it. Every sport relies on a strong core to maximize performance. A strong core enhances balance, coordination, and agility. It's the stabilizer that keeps you grounded and the engine that propels you forward. It helps you move with greater efficiency, conserving energy, and reducing the risk of injury. When your core is strong, every movement becomes more precise and controlled. This translates to faster times, higher jumps, and more powerful movements. The benefits of a strong core are endless and can be the difference between winning and losing. So, if you're ready to take your athletic performance to the next level, start by strengthening your core. Incorporate exercises like planks, sit-ups, and leg raises into your routine. It's the key to unlocking your full potential. Embrace the power of your core and watch as your performance soars to new heights. Age is just a number. Core strength for a lifetime. As we age, it's easy to think that our bodies are destined to slow down. However, this doesn't have to be the case. With the right mindset and dedication, we can maintain and even improve our physical capabilities. But age is just a number, and with a strong core, you can defy the odds and live a long, active life no matter your age. A strong core is the foundation of a healthy body, providing the support needed for almost every movement we make. Core exercises are essential for maintaining balance, stability, and mobility as we get older. These exercises target the muscles in your abdomen, lower back, hips, and pelvis, ensuring that your body remains strong and coordinated. They help prevent falls, reduce back pain, and improve overall functional fitness. By incorporating core exercises into your routine, you can enhance your posture, alleviate discomfort, and boost your confidence in daily activities. This means staying independent and doing the things you love for years to come. Whether it's hiking, gardening, or simply playing with your grandchildren, a strong core allows you to enjoy these moments without limitations. Remember, it's never too late to start strengthening your core. No matter your current fitness level, there are exercises tailored to your needs that can help you build a stronger, more resilient body. Even if you haven't been active in years, there are exercises you can do to rebuild your core strength and improve your overall health and well-being. Start with simple movements and gradually increase the intensity as your strength improves, so embrace aging with confidence. Surround yourself with a supportive community and celebrate each milestone you achieve. Make core strength a priority and enjoy a life filled with vitality and independence. By committing to regular core exercises, you can ensure that your golden years are truly golden, filled with energy, joy, and the freedom to live life to the fullest. Start your core journey today. You've seen the incredible power of a strong core. Now it's time to take action and start your own core journey. It doesn't take fancy equipment or hours at the gym. You can start right now, right where you are, with a few simple exercises. Start with the basics: planks, bird dogs, leg raises. Focus on proper form and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Make core work a regular part of your routine, and you'll begin to notice the difference in everything you do. You'll stand taller, move with ease, and feel more confident in your body. So what are you waiting for? Start your core journey today and unlock a stronger, healthier you.